Pepe.
This thing
What the
cannot
fuck?
whoop my ass twice in a row. There's no way.
Okay.
There's no
just,
fucking way.
Just hold yourself. Okay, you make a wheelie. That's good.
Alright.
Man,
Nah,
you
fuck
learned
that shit.
the lesson.
What you got?
Oh, man.
Again. He got you again.
Ow!
He
That
fucking
shit
got
hurts.
you again. What do you say now? What do you say now? He
My
got
leg
you again.
hurts.
What do you say now?
I said, fuck yourself, you goddamn Italian bastard. My leg hurts, you fuck.
Maurizio,
It's not funny. It's
We're gonna steal your backpack, motherfucker.
It's the horse fault.
Bullshit, you motherfucking goddamn horse of fucking shit. I fucking hate you.
Hey, man, don't sling it back.
You know what, dude?
Punch
It's
him.
gonna hit you anyway.
I'm not gonna fight this thing, dude. This thing's gonna whoop the.
Man, this is an
Hey,
assassin.
come here.
No, I'm not supposed to come here. No.
Oh my god, look at this.
I'm not
fucking
supposed to
thing.
come here.
This thing's gonna
Blow
whoop your
job
dick.
maker.
Go ahead.
Man, you wanna kill my dick?
Ah, dude, my fucking leg hurts like a. Fuck you guys. You guys, hey,
Hey.
I'm the fucking English guy or the American guy that you're gonna make fun of on Italian
No.
TV, you motherfucker.
You say Irish,
I'm not making fun of you, but I told you.
Irish and
Don't
German.
ride this motherfucker. I
This thing
told you.
hurts like a bitch.
I told you before, man. I told you before.
I swear to God, put that thing the fuck away before I fucking put it away.
No, but say something about this fucking horse.
What do you mean, a fucking goddamn
Got
horse?
you again.
The
again.
goddamn horse hit me in the
For the
balls
second time
and
in a
shins.
row. What do you
I
say?
swear to God. Listen to me right now. I swear to God, I'll fucking destroy you, Maurizio. You fuck.